Hello, I'm Donald with Rethink and Reset, and I'm here to tell you about our leadership kits by Rethink and Reset. A lot of people want to know what they get in the box when it comes in the mail, so it's time to think inside the box and reveal what you received. When it comes in the mail, the first thing you'll see is your leader's guide. This tells you everything you need to know about how to use the contents of the kit and the materials we provide. You can read about it here, but it's also available on the flash drive that you'll get inside the box. This also contains the training material, both in PowerPoint and PDF, as well as some videos that we've created to help explain some of the activities. Inside the box, you get these participant kits. This is the best part of the kit as far as I'm concerned, because this is what makes a two-dimensional learning experience three-dimensional. Even if you're doing this virtually with your team instead of around a board table, this arrives in the mail like a gift for your participants, and they don't open it until you give them the instructions on screen. When it's time to go, you tell them that it's time to think inside the box. They open their participant kit and they'll find all the things that they need to interact during this session. The session would last about 90 minutes on average, and each session includes about 3 or 4 activities that you do as a group. They work virtually or in person, and you use many of the things that come in the box to do the activities. So you might want to do some creativity and innovation work that cause you to reimagine the situation, so you get your reimagination glasses out. You might actually want to just remind people to smile when we're talking about positivity, or do some gratitude journaling. All the way along, they will have everything that they need and they'll discover it together. They also get a guide to all the activities depending on the topic in the box. And that helps them understand exactly what to do along with your instructions or the video instructions that we provide on that USB chip. So all of this makes it super easy for you. In your leadership guide, you also get recommendations on how to set up your room if you're doing it in person. And so really, with everything as straightforward as it is, it should take less than 60 minutes to prepare for this session and nail it first time round. That's your box. Have great fun with it.